Renovation of old coated wood with water base. Objective: to design a collection of manual steps. No spray machines, compressor, using only cloth, brush, ruler and sandpaper to give a new look to old fixed or movable furniture. Doors, window frames, etc. All materials to be used are water-based, primarily from Imperia Breathe Easy range, Low-VOC, and without any irritating or harmful odors. The entire finish is not required to be scraped off or removed till scratch for the refurbishing application areas. Renovation of hotels already in full swing with rooms occupied. Renovation of schools, colleges and educational institutions running a danger of students falling sick with obnoxious odors. Renovation of hospitals and nursing homes. Renovation of public places like shops and malls running in full swing. Renovation of apartments and constructions in already populated societies. Scope of work: heavily scratched furniture having minor dents and easily repairable damages. This is not a solution for fractured or fragmented furniture. Furniture where the finish has deteriorated over the years with color fading and gloss or finish giving off. Target customers: architects, interior designers, consumers and contractors, especially them who look forward to environmental friendly coatings. Renovation of old coated wood. Some simple steps. Step 1. Loose and chips of veneer which are giving off to be removed completely. If this is sun mica, then this is to be completely removed as the coating doesn't adhere to this substrate. Step 2. Cleaning the wood thoroughly with soap solution. Cloth soaked in NC thinner would be required only if greasy and sticky material are present. Step 3. Apply Philodent on the deep cracks with a putty blade. Correctly choose the putty of closest color matching with wood. You can choose from white, teak, walnut and dark walnut. Scrap off the excess material on top. Sand the first coat of putty, allowing a drying interval of 2 to 3 hours with 150 grit emery. To ensure Philodent completely fills the grooves and cuts, apply a second coat. If the Philodent has become lumpy, we need to dilute with 5% water before application. Step 4. Sanding off the Philodent coat after 2 to 3 hours drying with 150 emery. Manual sanding of joints and edges. Step 5. Apply tinted water-based color by brush for narrow or curved surfaces and on joints and edges. Apply by brush and level with sponge roller on flat surfaces. Color bank machine colorants to be used for tinting. A maximum limit of 250 shots of colorants per liter of paint allowed. The shade choice should preferably be from the range, color tones and hues, matching close to the original shade being renovated. Step 5. Level the brush marks with a sponge roller on flat surfaces. Allow to dry for 4 to 5 hours. Step 6. Sanding of water-based coat with 320 to 400 grit emery. Apply second coat, third coat and continue like this till you get the desired finish. Usually, 4 coats are sufficient to get the desired finish. Application process of renovation for veneer furniture is same as solid wood furniture. Step 1. Cleaning the wood with detergent and Scotch-Brite. Wipe dry as far as possible. Step 2. Dry completely with hair dryer and allow to dry overnight for best results before coating. Step 3. Apply Philodent on the deep cracks with a putty blade. Correctly choose the putty of closest color matching with wood. Select from walnut, teak and dark walnut. Philodent completed panel. Allow to dry for 2 to 3 hours. Sand well with 150 grit emery the puttied areas. And then use the same paper to lightly sand the non-putty areas, taking care not to damage the grain patterns. Repeat second coat of Philodent. Step 4. Apply appropriate close color match Imperia Breathe Easy water base impregnator stain with cloth. Water base impregnator stain first coat application completed. Rectifying the damaged grain patterns with appropriate painting brush, thin or thick, selected as per the existing grain patterns. Using water base impregnator stain as used before. Allow to dry for 3 to 4 hours. Step 5. Apply first coat water base Imperia Breathe Easy multi-coat by brush. Level the brush marks with a sponge roller. Allow to dry for 4 to 5 hours. Step 6. Sanding of water base with 220 or 320 grit emery. Repeat application of second coat of water base impregnator stains with cloth to mask defects to the best possible extent. Apply second coat water base Imperia Breathe Easy multi-coat by brush. Level the brush marks with sponge roller. Allow to dry for 4 to 5 hours. Sand off water base with 220 grit emery. Apply third coat and continue like this till you get the desired finish. Usually, 4 coats are sufficient to get the desired finish.